Dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Already you all know that the whole world is suffering from the pandemic COVID-19. Actually, the whole world is stopped now, and especially the Now, dear students, you all are welcome to my class. Now, it's my identity. Now, dear students, you all are welcome to participate my class. This is my identity. I am Mohammad Shahjahan, assistant teacher, Bagwan High School, Mujibnagar, Meherpur. Now the listeners, notice the sentences on the board. The first one, only you can call me. And the second one, none but you can call me. Have you understood the changes? What type of sentences are these? I think you have understood. The first one is affirmative sentence and the second one is negative sentence. So, today we are going to learn how to change affirmative to negative and vice versa. Again, look at the board. We shall try to change affirmative sentence to negative sentence. Notice the sentence, only he can do the work. If you are ordered to change the sentence, you will have to write none but he can do the work. When we will be asked to change any affirmative sentence to negative sentence, and if the sentence begins with only, we will have to use none but at the beginning of the sentence. Only he can do the work. The answer will be none but he can do the work. Another sentence, only Allah can help us. It's an affirmative sentence, and the negative form will be none but Allah can help us. So, when we will find only at the beginning of any affirmative sentence, we will have to change it into none but at the time of changing any affirmative sentence to negative ones. Dear learners, again notice the sentences. He likes only ice cream. We know ice cream is an object. At the time of changing this type of sentence, we shall have to use nothing but. If only represent person, we will have to use none but, and if it is an object, we will have to use nothing but. He likes only ice cream. It's an affirmative form. At the time of making it into negative, we shall have to use he likes nothing but ice cream. Clear? The another sentence, he likes only fuska. It's an affirmative, and If we are ordered to make it negative, we shall have to write he likes nothing but fuska, because it's an object. At the time of changing this type of sentence, we shall have to use nothing but. Now notice another sentences. They are only 13 years old. It is also an affirmative sentence, and to make it negative, we shall have to write they are not more than 13 years old. To mean age or any number, we shall have to use not more than or not less than. So the sentence is they are only 13 years old, and we shall have to write the answer they are not more than 13 years old. Another sentence, it is only 50 kg. There is the word only. It's an affirmative sentence, and the answer will be it is not more than 50 kg. Not more than or not less than. Both are correct. Now notice another sentence. We must love our mother. We must love our mother. It's an affirmative sentence, and there is a word must. It's a modal, and this type of sentence, to change this type of sentence, we shall have to use cannot but. If there is the modal must in any affirmative sentence, at the time of changing, we shall have to use cannot but. The answer is we cannot but love our mother. The same example, you must help the poor. You must help the poor, and the answer will be you cannot but help the poor. Am I clear? And another kind of sentence, everybody loves flower. There is the word everybody. If there is the word everybody in affirmative sentence, and at the time of changing this type of sentence, we shall have to use there is no, or there is nobody, or there is none. The answer will be there is nobody but loves flower, or there is no one but loves flowers.
এটা কি হয়ে গেছে? এটা
Dear learners, now notice another sentence. Every mother loves her child in affirmative form, and if we are ordered to change it into negative, we shall have to write down there is no mother but loves her child. If the sentence begins with every, then we shall have to write there is no. There is no. There is another sentence. I like both meat and fish. I like both meat and fish. This is also an affirmative sentence, and to change this type of sentence, we shall have to use not only dot dot but also, and the answer will be I like not only meat but also fish. Notice the sentence. I like to play both badminton and cricket. In an affirmative sentence. And the negative will be I like to play not only badminton but also cricket. And the next sentence is I want to eat both egg and vegetables. And the answer will be I want to eat not only egg but also vegetables. And another sentence, they like playing. They like both playing and reading. They like both playing and reading. And the answer will be they like not only playing but also reading. Dear learners, I think you have been able to understand the changes of sentence. Today, I have discussed affirmative sentence to negative sentence, and at the end of our class, I shall give you homework, and at home you will do the homework, and if the school opens, you will submit it and write down the homework in your answer script. So, dear students, this is all for today. Thank you very much. Stay at home and wash your hands repeatedly in 20 seconds.